Y'all, I did it. Y'all. Hey guys. Welcome to my ASMR. In today's video, we're gonna be eating lemon meringue pie. No. Hey y'all. In today's video, you guys are going to be seeing me try to dye my hair blonde. Now, if I sound a certain way, it's because I am getting over my horrible illness. So I am still a little bit congested, but yeah. So this is my hair. It's virgin. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos and stuff, and I've been seeing that you don't have to use bleach to dye your hair blonde. So I went out to the store and I got this. I got the Dark and Lovely Fade Resistant dye in Luminous Blonde number 369. So I'm gonna be trying to dye my ends because I only bought one box because I'm broke and I only had enough money for one box. But this is the colors of the size. Hopefully y'all can see. If you this light brown, medium brown, dark brown, this is like my hair color. My hair's color is like medium brown. So I think I'm gonna get this result. I don't really know what I'm doing, but we're gonna open this box and we're gonna do it together. Hopefully I don't damage my hair. So it comes with moisture rich conditioner, some directions. We're actually gonna read them today, guys. It comes with cream developer, it comes with a high lift booster, and it comes with a fade resistant rich conditioning lightener. So the gloves that I got were latex gloves because I thought people use like these type of gloves, but I looked it up and they said latex gloves were the best for dyeing hair. So that's what I got. I don't know. Why would they put, y'all, they put tape on the directions. Why would you do that? So I can rip it. It's telling me to perform a strain test. We're not gonna do that because it is, baby girl, it is 6:47 and we don't have time. I'm not allergic, I'm pretty sure. Hey, what is this? Y'all, they gave me gloves. Y'all, it's gloves on the instructions. Y'all, this is crazy. I just spent $1.06. Y'all, and these the type of gloves that I was gonna buy, but I was scared. Because they said latex gloves are the best. Yo, it's a full hair application, so that's what we go. That's the direction we gonna do. Even though I'm just trying to do like highlights on my ends. Safety warnings: for use on natural hair only. Do not use if hair has been processed with the hair straightener, relaxer, or permanent wave. Wear gloves. Do not use on eyebrows, eyelashes. Blah blah blah. Wait, what does it say? Do not use hair. Do not cover hair or apply heat while product is on your hair. I've seen people do that. Okay, so it says step 1, put on gloves. Twist off the, okay, so let's go step by step. So let's put on the gloves. Twist off the tip of the dark and Lovely Cream Developer Applicator Cap. Remove cap from the applicator bottle. So, what does it say? Twist off the tip. So this is the tip, I guess. It's telling me to twist it off. Oh, y'all, I don't know if I was supposed to do that. Remove cap from the applicator bottle. They really do make this hard. How you remove it? Okay, yes, I got it. Maybe I'm just a weak chick. Well, how about, let me section my hair first. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to detangle them. So what I saw was that people, they tease the hair and then they do the balayage. That's how they do the balayage. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna tease my hair. Okay, now we back. Now what I heard that's supposed to do is it's supposed to like add dimension in your hair so it's not all one color. I don't know, y'all. We will see. And I feel like I should tell you guys that I am doing this on dirty hair, because even though on the box it says start off with clean hair and stuff, I watched the Brie haul video and she was just saying that like she's been doing this and she feels like when you do it with dirty hair, it you know, your hair doesn't get as damaged. It feels like your hair doesn't get as damaged. I heard that doing it on dirty hair can like leave an uneven application and all of that, but I don't know, we'll see. I really don't care. So okay, so they told me to unscrew the cap. There's stuff in here. Let me turn the ventilator on. Then it say cut open. I need scissors. Cut open the Dark and Lovely High Lift Booster Packet. Keep it. Pour entire contents into Dark and Lovely Cream Developer Bottle. Oh my gosh, y'all. Alright guys, I'll be back. I have to go find some scissors. Okay y'all, I found some scissors. So I'm guessing this powder in here, so I'm going to try to get it all the way to the bottom. And I'm going to cut it out. It keeps telling me to use in a well ventilated area, so if I pass out, just know I love y'all. Telling me to pour it into here. Replace the applicator cap securely. Place your gloved finger over the open tip, point away from your face, shake thoroughly for at least 10 seconds or until the lightning mixture is totally blended. Remove cap from the applicator bottle, pour entire contents of Dark and Lovely Permanent Hair Lightener bottle into the applicator bottle. Replace the applicator cap securely. Place your gloved finger over the open tip, point away from your face, and shake thoroughly until lightning mixture is totally blended. Never leave the tip unopened after mixing. The container may burst. Part dry, unwashed. Oh, part dry, unwashed. Okay, so I know what I'm doing. Hair into 4 sections and clip in place with plastic long clips. We use scrunchies, and this is what we're working with, baby. Squeeze the applicator bottle gently in to apply the lightning mixture to the ends and the shaft of the hair. 1/4 inch to 1/2 from the scalp area. Repeat this process in sections until the whole head is completed. Use only 2/3 of the lightning mixture. With gloved hands, work lightning mixture throughout the hair to ensure smooth ends and even results. If any lightning mixture gets on skin, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Get medical attention. After completing the application process for 10 minutes, then apply lightning mixture to the root area. Do not rub on the scalp. Process for an additional 20 minutes. Total processing time is 30 minutes. So I guess for you guys that want to do your scalp, like your roots, I'm not going to do that. I'm only going to do my ends. But for you guys that want to do your roots, if you don't know, when you dye your hair, whatever section you do first is going to come out the lightest. I'm telling you to do your roots last. Leave this on for 10 minutes and then do your roots, and leave that on for 20 minutes so your whole head can process for 20 minutes. That way your roots don't come out dumb late. When processing time is up, add a little lukewarm water to your hair and work the lightning mixture into a lather. Rinse thoroughly until water runs clear. If lightning mixture gets in your eyes, rinse out quickly. After rinsing, towel dry. Apply Dark and Lovely moisture rich conditioner to saturate hair. Massage the hair, leave on hair for 3 minutes. Rinse out with water. Style hair as usual. Save remaining Dark and Lovely moisture conditioner for more suitable applications. So we're gonna leave this on my hair for 30 minutes, and then yeah. So I'm about to get a towel to put it on the floor so I don't mess my floor up, and then we're gonna get started. Okay, this is seconds before my virgin hair is no longer virgin. Woo! Okay, so we're gonna take this out, and I call myself trying to balayage, I don't know. So we're gonna take this, and I think it said just pour it on there, I think. Woo! So I'm gonna take it about 2/3 up my head. Y'all, I'm scared. I hope y'all can see.
talk. It tells you a story and makes you want to dance. Steve Fox examines an overnight phenomenon, rapping to...
Okay, so this is what it looks like now. I'm going to take it and I'm going to go over everywhere that I just know I missed. Look, so right now my hair is a super dry, but it's extremely soft. Like, I don't know what they put in this, y'all. Well, it says that it has extra, I don't know, but it's super soft. I'm gonna cut bangs in my hair. I'm gonna do that in the next video. But for right now, we're going to use this moisture rich conditioner, and I'm going to put this just throughout my hair. So I'm just going to part it in the middle. As you can see, I left my roots dark because, like, I'm scared, but y'all, I did it. 2019, baby, new year, new me. I'm not playing with y'all. If you know any good products for like 3B, 3C hair, low porosity, leave them down in the comments. FYI, all of this stuff smells really good. Like, all of it smells so good. I mean, like, the dye smells like chemicals, but it still has a nice smell to it. It smells really good. Okay, y'all, so I'm taking my Creme Nature Intense Conditioning Treatment. Y'all already know. And it didn't tell me to do all of this, but, you know, I just want to be extra cautious and sure that everything in my hair is healthy like it's supposed to. Because I'm planning on wearing it out tomorrow. And I do not need it dry.
Fox examines an overnight phenomenon, rapping to the beat.
Oh, that looks so good. Okay, I'm going to wrap my hair up, leave it in for about 10 minutes and rinse it out. And I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you guys my hair all dried and everything.